Good morning, classe. I wanted to take some time to go over a few announcements. So let's get started. First things first, I need you to finish your test if you haven't already. I know I sound like a broken record, but there are quite a few people who still have not done it, and you cannot afford to take a 0 for a test grade. Marking period 4 has just started, so I really need you to take the time, sit down, and get that done. I've posted a lot of resources to help you guys study. If you did poorly, remember you do get 2 attempts on that test, okay? And each question, it gives you 5 minutes to answer it. So please take your time. I'm looking through the report and it's showing me some of you are taking 10 seconds, 3.5 seconds. Like, it's not Kahoot. I made the time longer so that way you guys would be more successful. I wanted you guys to take your time and not feel rushed. If the 5 minutes is still too short and you still feel rushed, please let me know. I'll make a new link and adjust the timer just for you. Okay? If you really need that, I will do that for you. But please do not wait any longer to take this test. I need it by the end of this week so that way your grades can be updated. If you have taken the test, thank you very much. And if your grade is not correct in Genesis, please let me know. I know I have missed a couple people in updating their grade because the way the reports run, it's not in order. I have to search through and find each person's name. So that can be a little tedious sometimes. So please let me know if I missed you, if the grade wasn't correct. Maybe I put in your grade from the first time you did the test and then you took it again a week later and did better. Let me know what your grade should be if it's not right, okay? And I will fix it. Next, late work equals loss of points. The school is now implementing a class-wide rule that you will lose 10 points when your work is late, okay? If it's quality work. Now, if I'm getting Google translated work and work from your friends that you're copy and pasting on Google Docs, and it's also not correct, that can be a 0 because it's not quality work and it's also now late. It could be a 0 anyway because you're copying. But please remember, do your own work. Just because we're learning remotely, you still want to get something out of this because next school year is still happening. You're still going to be responsible for the knowledge, okay? Reach out if you need assistance. But just know you lose 10 points if your work is late. You're going to see this in Genesis right now as a pass-fail grade. So for the movie questions, what I did, I added a new column that says questions part 1, 1 through 10. If you did that on time, you got plus 10 points and it says pass. If you didn't turn it in on time, those first 15 questions, it's a fail. So it's either you did it or you didn't. So please be mindful of that. It's not going to kill your grade, but it definitely doesn't help it if you're turning things in late. You can still earn full credit, however, for turning the entire movie packet in on time and having all your questions correct. Movie questions, speaking of, are due Thursday. This Thursday, as in tomorrow, the 23rd at 11:59 p.m. Please make sure you get those in on time. Most of you I've been going through have done a great job of getting these questions in on time. A lot of you, I don't have any work since the marking period started, and I need you to get started. You're running out of time to do this, okay? Also, just to review the questions really quick. Number 5, I don't know where you guys got Lena was locked in a box. I don't know where that answer came from. I don't know if you're Googling something or reading something offline. I don't know, but that's not in the movie. The part we're referring to is when the girl dressed in the all white dress is like skipping down the road and she gets in a car. Maybe that's what you thought was the box. And is taken away to Trujillo's palace. Okay, and that's where she lives, basically as one of his concubines, you could say, having his babies, and then she probably is disappeared after her time is through with him, but we don't really know. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for in that answer is a few of the rumors that go around about Lena that are said in the movie, and then you could say overall she probably was killed or that we don't really know what happened to her. That's fine. You should have detail in these questions. I'm going to switch over really quick to the assignment right here. When you're answering these questions, full sentences, please. Full sentences. Details. Some of these questions are two parts, like number 3. At the beginning of the movie, where do the Mirabal sisters go? Like, where is the train taking them? And who comes to visit? Some of you put the Dominican Republic. They live in the Dominican Republic. They're not leaving the country. They're not going to it. They live there. That is their home. They're traveling from one part of the country to another to go to school, okay? Who comes to visit them at that school is Trujillo. So you need to have both parts of that question in order to get full credit. So some of you have been losing points for not having full credit. So if you didn't turn it in yet, like the whole document, you didn't turn the whole thing in yet, go back and fix some of those questions, all right? If I put notes on the side that you're missing a couple points, you can go back and fix it and turn it in to me again. That's fine. I won't do the final grading until Friday. But you should be attempting these questions. If you have to rewatch a part of the movie, that's what the rewind button is for. Please use it. You might have to work a little harder at getting these answers because I'm not there right with you to explain everything, which is okay. It's still doable. You can do this. If you need, then you email me, but try first to listen to the movie, rewind it back a little bit, and then send me an email if you didn't get it or if you missed something or if it just was unclear what was going on. I understand that. But just make sure your answers also make sense. Okay? Take your time with that. And Helena was not locked in a box. That's all I want to say. Heads up, you have a project coming next week, due April 30th. I'm going to release the instructions for that project tomorrow because I know some of you wonderful people already did all of the movie questions and you're completely done that assignment. So I'm hoping maybe you're catching up on other work or breathing a little bit, but you do have a project coming on Dominican culture. Okay, so I'll release the instructions, the list of topics that you are allowed to choose from, and the rubric to go with it, okay? So just so you know, put it in your calendar, put it in your phone, like right now, put it in there so you don't forget. It needs to be done on time as well, okay? Spanish office hours. So you probably heard that teachers will now be on Zoom and will be available for you if you need it at a consistent time each week. All right, so what I'm going to do is Zoom on Fridays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay? If you have questions about an assignment, if you need something explained, I'll release a Zoom, meeting ID on Google Classroom, and that's what you'll use to meet with me. But it'll only be open for those 2 hours. You won't be able to get in because I won't open it outside of that time, okay? If you need another time to Zoom with me, let me know, and we'll just schedule that and plan that out. Any day of the week is usually fine, but you just got to tell me ahead of time, okay? And not at like 10 o'clock at night, no. School hours only, okay? Mrs. Corey and Nurse V have their own Google Classrooms. So if you need it, please email them, reach out to them, and get in their Google Classrooms. If you don't know their emails, I'll actually put it in here right now. And Corey at chartertech.org. It'll pop up as soon as you start writing her name, Michelle Corey. And of course, Nurse V is K. Vitriglia. See if I can spell this right, at Charter Tech. Okay, so for both of them, they have their own Google Classroom. They also have Zoom meetings every Thursday. I want to say at 1 o'clock. I didn't write it down. All right, Thursdays at 1 o'clock. They have Zoom as well. So if you are stressed, if you have anxiety, if you are feeling depressed right now in the situation, if you're just unorganized, maybe your house is just crazy, maybe you just need somebody to vent to listen to you, please reach out to them. They are a wonderful resource. They are here to help you. I am here to help you. If you need to talk, if you need assistance with anything, I will try my absolute best to help you out and explain whatever's going on or help you get organized and see what we can do for you. I don't want you guys to feel alone at this time, but you also have to know that we need work to be done as well. We're still being held accountable for certain things when it comes to school and your education. And as teachers, we're trying to do our best to do our job, okay? So, but if something's going on, please email me. Please let me know. Email somebody and tell us so that way we are better equipped to help you. Don't suffer in silence and sit there and not tell anybody what's going on, because then I can't help you. And I don't want that. I don't want you guys to be suffering in silence. I want you guys to do really well. All right. So I believe those are all the announcements. Oh, wait, no, sorry. One more. Going back to grades. A grade of 75 or higher gets you into a drawing for an Amazon gift card. So that's a school-wide thing, all right? So check your grades on Genesis, like right now, if you haven't already. They're looking a little scary. There's a lot of red because a lot of you are still missing that test. Like I said, give me until tomorrow morning. I'm going to be updating grades all day today and checking back on that report. So, one, take this time to get in any missing work. Anything you haven't done, do that first. Then go check and email me and tell me or ask me what else you can do for your grade. But if you're still missing assignments and haven't done what you need to do that first. There are 2 assignments in Genesis for Spanish that you can't make up right now. And that was the first 2 quizzes assignments that we did. I gave you guys, I think, 3 days on each test to get them done, or each quiz, sorry. It was a review quiz to get them done. And if you didn't do it, you didn't do it. So what I did was I changed their value in Genesis. So it's no longer a quiz grade that would hurt you. It counts now as like a classwork, homework assignment grade. So its value went down, so your grade wouldn't suffer. But I'm not making a new quizzes link for you guys to make up that stuff. Okay, so that was at the very beginning of the marking period. I forget the dates they were released, like maybe April 2nd, April 3rd, and they were supposed to be reviews and practices for the test you guys were doing and to get you guys used to being on quizzes before I gave you a test on quizzes. All right, so if you missed that, it's too little too late. But also, if you did it and maybe it didn't register your score or I didn't update it, then come talk to me. Then email me if something got messed up. But if you didn't do it, it's too little too late. Don't ask about it now. All right? Let it go. Move on to the next thing. Okay? We're living in the present, not the past. All right. Now I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my little 13-minute rant. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please go outside, go for a walk, go get some fresh air, eat your fruits and vegetables, I can't talk. Drink some water, all right? And remember to take care of yourselves. I love you guys. I miss you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.